Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Curious to Learn. All of you are definitely very much curious to know the human heart anatomy, right? So definitely the biology lovers will love this video. So today we'll discuss about the human heart anatomy. Okay, see what is the picture? What is this picture? This is a picture of human heart. Yeah. Next, so first we'll know what is the location of the human heart, where it exactly present. See, all of you, this is a human body. Okay, this is your human body, and both the side human body there are rib cages. Okay, and just below the rib cages there is a membrane. Here like this there is a dome shaped membrane that is known as your diaphragm. Okay, this is the membrane is known as your diaphragm, and this diaphragm separates the upper cavity to the lower body cavity. This upper body cavity is known as your chest cavity. Okay, and inside the chest cavity both the side there are two lungs. This in the left side, right side one lung, and left side another lung. In between these two lungs there is a organ, muscular organ, that is your heart. Okay, so what is the position of the human heart then? The position of the human heart is in the chest cavity. Okay, in between the two lungs, so it is exactly at the center of the chest cavity. Okay, and it is slightly tilted towards the left. Actually generally when if you ask anyone what is the location of the human heart, they will say that ki location of the human heart is in left side. Actually no, it is not in left side, it is actually in the center, in between the two lungs, and just slightly tilted towards the left. So next, see here, this one, see this picture, this is one lung and this is another lung, and in between these two lungs the heart is present. If you'll see about this one, this is known as your trachea or windpipe. We can say this is windpipe, and this we will learn in respiratory system in detail. Okay, and here in this video we are talking about the learning about heart. The human heart is, so the human heart is present in between the lungs. Okay, so next, what is the size of the human heart then? Anyone can guess? If you don't remember the numerical part, what is the length, breadth, or thickness, you can relate another one. What is the exact size of the human heart? If anyone asks, you can say the size of the human heart is equal to the size of your fist. Okay, your own fist. The size of your own fist is equal to the your size of your own heart. Just remember this thing. Okay, and in average, if we'll know, if we'll learn, I mean, if we'll know in the number, then the size of the human heart will be 12 centimeter in length, 8 centimeter in width, and 6 centimeter in thickness. If we'll try to draw this human heart with the help of scale, you can draw the lines, the length, breadth, and the thickness. Then you can imagine properly what is the exact size of the human heart. And this is the average size. It can vary from person to person. So now all of you see these pictures. Some red color round shaped structures are there. Anyone can guess what are these? Yes, these are the blood cells. Okay, red blood cells. So now see, you can see how the blood cells are moving. You can uh, relate the shape of the red blood cells. Okay, so now we will discuss about the blood circulatory system. Who has discovered the blood circulatory system? This is the picture of the scientist. Anyone can guess what is the name of this scientist? Name of the scientist is William Harvey. Next, what are the circulatory system parts? Okay, first one is heart. What is heart? Heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout your body. Okay, this is a muscular organ. This is only the muscular organ which develops first in the fetus, and it starts pumping from birth to till death. Okay, and once it stops working, it stops pumping, then the person will be no more. So this is very important organ in the blood circulatory system, heart. Okay, without heart there will be no life. Okay, heart, the heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout your body. Second one is your blood vessels. Okay, first one is your heart. First one is your heart, then second one is your blood vessels. Blood vessels are the tube like structure. Okay, and there are actually three main types of blood vessels are there. That these are arteries, veins and capillaries. These are the tube like structure which includes which helps the blood to flow through it. Okay, so the third one is your blood. That blood is made up of red, white blood cells, plasma and platelets. Okay, so what are the three main types of blood vessels? Three main types of blood vessels are artery. First one is your artery. Okay, first one is your artery. So artery, actually they carry blood away from the heart. Okay, just remember this, the arteries takes blood away from the heart, and they are the largest and strongest blood vessels. Okay, and what about then the veins? Veins takes just opposite of the arteries. They take blood return to the heart, towards the heart. Okay, this take blood towards the heart, and this takes blood away from the heart. So we can say the blood comes out from the arteries and blood go in through the veins. It is out of the heart and this is in towards the heart. So just remember this, arteries helps takes away the blood from the heart, and veins takes blood into the heart. And what about the capillaries? Capillaries are the branches of the artery and veins. Okay, as it branches, the walls becomes very thin. Okay, these are the tiny vessels that connect arteries and veins, and their thin walls allowed blood to come into close contact with tissue to exchange oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients and waste products. Okay, understood? So capillaries are nothing but they are also the tube like structure, and they are also the blood vessels which are the branchings of the artery and veins. As they branches of the arteries and veins, the wall becomes very thin, and these thin walls helps the blood to come in contact with the oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients and waste product, which helps them to exchange. Okay, so next we will move to the next slide. I hope all of you have understood it properly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can write in the comment section. I will definitely try to resolve your answer. I will definitely reply you. Okay, so we'll meet you in the next video. In that video, we'll discuss about the structure and function of the human heart. Okay, thank you.